have a plan. Oh my god. There's a pineapple on the floor. Hey guys, welcome back to Waka Waka. Welcome back to another video. So this evening I just realized how messed up my apartment is, and that is because I have been creating lately, even though we are on lockdown. And I have a small apartment, but then I have so much materials from schoolwork and all other things. So I'm just gonna take you guys through what everything looks like right now. You might see some weird items, but do not fret, it's my apartment and I'm actually embarrassed to show this to you guys. So basically you'll be cleaning with me. My sewing machine is on the floor. I have a bunch of pattern papers too, and some pattern papers here. This is actually a school assignment that I did for my styling class, and I removed the wrapper yesterday. I have some stuff on the floor. My dress form is here. I have an iron on the chair, and this is where I shoot my sewing vlog. So when I do like my camera setup for the overview shot, I need to like clear out everything and pile things up on each other. And this is an example of one of those craziness. So I actually have a plan. Oh my god, that looks horrible. So here I have a book. My Bible is inside here. And I have dirty dishes. And this is crazy. And I have some wrappers. There's a pineapple on the floor. There's that. Actually, in the whole of the apartment, I would say my bathroom is the most organized, because like whenever I come into the bathroom, I'll always clean after myself. So this is like always intact. The towel is well arranged. Even my laundries are well piled. So that's the only thing I'm proud of. But the rest of the apartment is just a mess. So it's around 8 p.m. here. Let's see how long this is gonna take me to finish up. So see you guys. This is a mini skirt. I'm currently working on an A-line tutorial. So this is like a mini model that I made here so that I do not make mistake when I'm making the vlog. Embroidery design that I did for school. Cotton balls that I'm using for a school project. My couch, and it's spread out like this. I was supposed to have a friend come over to stay, but then since she could not make it, I just left it like that. So this is the progress I've made so far. The table is cleared like that. The couch is raised. This is covered up. There's a scissors on top of that. And this looks okay for now. So my main target now is to just work my way towards the kitchen area. And so I still have to do the dishes and then clean some surfaces, but now I am done with the kitchen. Everything is looking good except the spot. I'm just gonna let it soak till tomorrow. And then the last two things I want to do is inside the bathroom. Even though the bathroom is organized, my toilet bowl, the inside, and my drain, the inside is not that clean, so I'm gonna clean both of them right now.